My name is Werner Jacobs. I'm lecturer here at the Antwerp Maritime Academy, and I participated at the Elgas project, especially for my maritime knowledge, and I performed the practical measurements on board of the vessel. The goal of Elgas was to measure the air quality on board of 10 different vessels. Especially on board of ships, you have such a variety of different pollutants that indoor air quality is worth to investigate to see whether pollutants from outside are present also in indoor air. First of all, of course, the funnel, the exhaust gases coming from the engine, a very important pollutant source. But furthermore, there is bunkering the fuel. There is maybe the cargo that might release some cargo vapors. There are painting conditions and so on. These are possible pollutants during the normal life on board of a vessel. Within the Elgas project, we analyzed our data and compared it to the occupational and non-occupational thresholds. Over a longer period, we did not exceed these thresholds, but there were some spikes which were really interesting for further analysis. So after thorough investigation, we found that 3 parameters influence the indoor air quality on board of the vessels, namely the exhaust gases from the funnel, the distance between the funnel and the ventilation inlet, and the relative wind direction. As a result of the Elgas project, we have recommendations for 2 groups, the crew and the ship owner. For the crew, we would suggest that they take the relative wind direction always into account, because it might be that for a certain wind direction, the exhaust gases are aspired by the ventilation inlet and come inside the accommodation. Secondly, we would suggest that they keep doors and windows closed as intended by the manufacturer of the ventilation. For the ship owners, we would suggest to install on the ship a second ventilation inlet, one on the starboard side, one on the port side, so that the crew has the option to choose the best ventilation inlet related to the air quality on board. Furthermore, ship owners should test the overpressure system after the installation, so they make sure that the locks of the door are sufficiently strong to keep the doors closed when the bridge is under overpressure.